Reasons to consider a curbless or zero entry to your shower when renovating your bathroom. So the first and most important is this makes the bathroom seem a lot bigger because of the clean look and the flat surface. So especially if you have a smaller bathroom, it's going to do wonders by making your bathroom seem bigger. The second thing that people consider when considering this option is they think that if they have just a panel, that water will splash because it's a flat surface, but it doesn't because we built many of these and there is a slope that goes into building the shower, so there's not really an issue there. And the other thing that's really great about this, if you're considering the aging in place or the elderly population, this is a great option because if you need to in the future or have anybody in your family that needs to use this to wheel in a wheelchair into the shower, it's a great option and you don't have to go through and re-renovate your shower if this is something that's necessary in the future. So hopefully this was helpful for you. Stay tuned for more tips.